if you fail to appease the gods, Odinga will stop protecting you. Odinga has never failed anyone who trusted in him.
Ezenwa Ibiko, just tell me what Odinga wants me to do, and I will. Biko.
You will conduct a sacrifice of immortality, and you will extract a baby from a pregnant woman and bring it. And this has to be done before darkness tomorrow. When that is done, we will appease the Odinga, and her anger will be lifted from you. That is it.
Ezenwa, consider it done.
Now, you can go.
Thank you, Ezenwa.
You still won't even give me what to go. I want to give enough money. What to go? So we are more on board on number and see the work of a I don't give him any.
I'm only about a pregnant woman.
She's still speaking English. I'm going to speak English for.
That's what you boy and that's what
One about up here there, one park here there, one about up here there, one park here there. Italy Taja, Italy Taja, Italy Taja, Italy Bofia, Italy Taja, Italy Taja.
Why do you want to kill this man and woman?
Italy Taja.
they are standing on my way for being the next local government chairman.
Politics.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Hope you know my fee.
Just name it.
500 each. So for now, about 1 million. Of million.
That's all. All right. Let me see. These 4 bundles here. You have the remaining, the balance, when I have the results.
All right then. You can go.
I can go.
Okay. Bien here. Listen carefully. Make sure you bring my balance. Because if I visit you, God have mercy upon your soul. Stay close to your TV. You will hear the news.
Well, just do your job. You did the remaining for me.
And as is you boy, they speak English for us, Abi. Our balance, so. Papa visit.
Right, thank you.
Ayana Fonte.
What do you want, Mama?
Ayana Fonte.
No.
Anepo.
Let's go abulu give me gini. Akatampo. I don't know my phone man.
Opama, are you okay? You look so dull.
I don't know what is wrong with me. I am feeling so tired and dizzy these days, but someone.
You see there, you will have to stop taking alcohols and smoking cigarettes. You're a girl for crying out loud.
Pasa. You got that? Pasa. I think all I need right now is to sleep well, relax, smoke good jumbo. Koba, yeah, like yeah.
If you say so. Mama, no.
Mano.
Hey!
Kangwaba, I think I need to sleep. So I have to go later. See. I am. So I'll see you later now.
Alright. Take care of yourself, oh? I take your medications.
No problem.
Get well. Mama, get well.
Well, I'm okay. I have pleasure.
Mama, what is this now? Why are you hitting me? You are asking me what is this, eh? You are asking what is this?
Now I can work here, eh? Let today be first and last. I'm gonna put that girl in my house again. Who's Amaka? Oyori. You want to drag my name to the mud, eh? Mba no. You want to kill me? Imeme maka na egburu m nne m. Ọnwa! Okwu da nsu ofebe. Tumnozo. From Ejina to Adele. Onye na digi moy. Nanya. Whatever you committed it upon yourself. Nke meta. Isiga ka ye ji ebu ya. Not on my head. Ya kwenu gie. Okwenu ya. No chasi kwa ya ofuma, no chasi ya ike. Ka mfu ya ba mbose ozo. Ewu.
Hey, Ugunum!
Baby, why you dey go smooth now? Huh? Your name is
What pity?
I don't want.
What's up now?
I am pregnant.
They open you. Money now, why? Be serious. Are you for real?
I'm not kidding. I said I'm pregnant.
I love you. This Bele will be a baby boy. Say amen.
Amen.
And this baby boy will be called Odili Junior. Say amen.
Amen.
Hey.
But the thing is, I am worried. I've never been this worried all my life.
In fact, I will teach you how to shoot. Because as you carry Bele now, what you will do, you will connect to the picking where you carry. And I know one here say my picking knows I be shoot. God forbid. So baby. Just say yeah. Now what for you? Nah, people make like a John because they say you can. You shake now because if you shake, you miss your target. So don't shake. I've been here like a forefather. Piaye. You shake now. You shake, you miss your target. This is hold it.
As long as I still remain Ozo Nwokolo, you will not have that bastard over my roof. It will not work. Because I don't want any connection with any criminal whatsoever. Yes, I warned you, but you won't listen. Oh, man.
Papa, I beg you in the name of God. Papa, I'm begging you, stop calling my baby names. Oh. Stop calling my baby bastard. After all, it's my life and I am living it the way I want it.
Of course, you cannot live your life the way you want it. As long as I'm alive, it is not possible.
I just told you because I know you're my father and you deserve to know. I didn't tell you for you to take care of me. Do you take care of me? Papa? Because wow, I beg in the name of God, though.
You are a disgrace. Total disgrace. That's what you are. A disgrace to this community, a disgrace to humanity. I wish your mother is still alive to explain where this blood comes from. Because surely there's a mistake somewhere.
That's your business. Papa, that's your business. You see this my baby. I will deliver this my baby in my father's house. So if you're not comfortable with that, you go to your own father's house. Did you hear me?
Hey! I am sure that those criminals you are jumping around with must have cast a spell on you.
Papa, Papa, have you not heard that babies are blessings from God? Have you not heard about that?
Not this one, no. Not these ones, because these ones are rejected ones. And that's what we are going to deliver. Criminals.
No problem. All I know is that my baby is a blessing and I will deliver my baby in my father's house. Chicken now.
Even if he was say.
Papa, I'm just respecting you. Southside cannot talk to me like that.
Show.
Our people are suffering from crime. And all hands are pointing to the people we appointed to be our vigilance service. They visit people at late hours and demands for cola. Even our people said, "We work in Novel to go work."
Igwe, may you live long. I want to suggest that we dissolve the services of Odili and his boys. Yes, and seek the services of the vigilante group from Area Market in Abia State. Because we all are aware, we all have been following the crime stories about Aba people. Yes. But what is happening today, if you go to Aba Aba is now one of the safest city in Igbo land. This is because the vigilante group in Aba have cleansed the land. They have wiped out all the criminals. They captured all the criminals. And now in Aba, the indigenes of Aba can now sleep with their eyes closed. Igwe. I am telling you what I know. Yes.
Igwe. Mazi Okolo is right. Myself, I have heard of them. How the vigilant group in Aba transform Aba city to God's own land.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Well. All we are all saying here is about life and property. Since Odili and his group are no more satisfying the people they are serving, their services should be dissolved.
Now, let them go.
We shall leave you to travel to Aba any time at your own pace to go and inspect and know how we shall go in and collect one of these people. We shall go to Odili to tell him what we have said in this meeting.
I do as you said.
I was summoned by the Igwe, and he said that our services are no longer needed.
For what now? How?
I smell conspiracy. The Ebubo guy conspiracy.
Okay, no yawa now. If not like that, with the one time.
But it's all good. They have come out with new plan. I will come out with new strategy. Now listen. You need to be very, very careful. Very, very careful. Watch where you go and mind who you talk to.
No yawa. Ebuali ge gwa kwa ka gbaka otu.
Anya na funti.
Mbano.
Anya na funti. Mbano. Anebu.
I learned that you confiscated the money meant for community development. Why?
Z because you people fail to understand something. When you empower the youths, you lessen crime. If you don't empower the youths will keep disturbing you. Now call generation Ndala. Community. Who be community? You dissolved our office, you go. So what do you expect us to do? I can't just people can even tell us. Listen, I used that same money to empower the youths. You want to go?
Do you realize that Uncle Ada Koyemi?
You will. You want the money, Abi? Come to our bank. You want to go? Okay, you need the child. But it's a bank, you know what it is. You want to go? But thank God you know your age. If you fall, you will need the bank. No, if you have come to the bank, you know your age. I will help you end it. Now, who be youth? Our money will not take color of the money.
You are all welcome to this peace-loving community of Otunko Kingdom. I do not want to recount all that happened in the past, but I would like to beg you to please, at any given moment, you have anything that we can solve for you, please, do not hesitate to come to us. Now, the whole thing is done, that you are here with us. When we need your help, we call for you. When you need our help, please come. We shall always harbor you.
Thank you for welcoming us into your community. Our work does not have sentiment. And our judgment supersedes all judgments. If you have been found wanting, you will be made to say what you've committed. And after which, judgment will be passed. Igwe, the hunter in pursuit of an elephant does not stop to throw stones at birds. Igwe, I perceive evil. I perceive danger and crime in your community. But I can assure you, anyone that has hand in evil in this community must surely pay for it. Justice must be melted out accordingly. Those of you whose brothers are involved in evil should tell them that the Baka boys are here to stay. There is no hiding place for them. Step forward.
Any criminal or evil people in this community was paid. We have arrived. Anyabia Igwe Gwonwa.
Confess your crime in this community.
I am an informant to Ejina and the other people. I give them every information on every meeting we have in the palace. I was the one who gave Ejina the information that led to Ibe's death. I also gave information to Odele that helped him to steal the community money.
Hey! Ntimeju.
I didn't say anything. What is happening?
Why?
Why are you allowing small boys to be beating me?
Be quiet!
I don't know what community. Small boys. We brought yesterday.
Aruneli ni neno ni ne. O metalugeji isi ebu. You forget?
Look at this one.
Quiet!
Igwe, injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Take him away.
Igwe, I didn't do anything.
Hey!
Ichie, collect all these things that relate to the chieftaincy. Collect all of them and keep. Get all of them.
Hey! See that sister?
Jaku! Osubochi bukenye oshi. Mahumachi! Bukenye ngulo. every day for the thief, one day for the owner of the house. You have come to the end of the road today. Jaku, take him.
I feel the city.
Everyone,
shut up.
Take him.
I feel the city.
Move it.
When the put on those up before we may we go one change your mind. Get me give any name we full.
Ogini.
Those Bakanas. They came to my house. When I left Ben Johnson, Mama.
Baka boys came to your house.
Huh?
Baka boys came to your house. Can you believe this? Listen. Zoigwe. Listen,
Why are you looking so frightened?
That is problem.
What is going on?
Calm down. This money will be enough for you to take care of yourself till you put to bed, okay? Don't even try to call me because I've swallowed my SIM card. You know my SIM card. Oh, Biko.
Where are you going to now?
I don't know. Just hide out. Hide out.
One about up here there, one park here there, one about up here there, one park here there. Italy Taja, Italy Taja, Italy Taja, Italy Bofia, Italy Taja, Italy Taja.
Odu! Odu! One of the most notorious criminals in this community. Odu Isimpi! Odu! Oye Bainsi! Okay, just there with Palia. Asim! Oye Bainsi! Ojakaya Wepalia! Odu! You have come to the end of the road. This is the end of the road for you. See, Oye Bainsi! Ojakaya Wepalia! Maka Oye Jikugo Dakugoya. What I go? Asim! Oye Jugo Dakugoya! Odu! Isimpi! That's you! Jifike, come out. Your time is up. When one does evil, one should bear in mind that the evil will come back to him.
Now, leave my compound, all of you. Leave my compound, or do you want your blood to be splashed? Leave my compound, will you?
We should leave your compound. Yes. Your gun can do us nothing.
My own gun?
The blood of those innocent people you've killed have come to take their revenge today.
Okay, wait for it. You will see a blood. Will you run away before I smash you?
Your gun can do us nothing. Go ahead and shoot us.
Leave me! Leave me!
If one does not chew water, one does not know that water has bones.
You see that? Now where? You are now powerless. Take him!
Orderly! Don't be too fast! For the horns do not grow before the head.
I can't find him. He's gone.
Mwana musinaro, okay bube. Mwana mmade, mwana musinaro. Awa, dike iwe mebie. Iwe mebie. Mwana mmade. Okay mwangu. Iwe mebie. Awu. Ha, awa, nsinaro.
Ndala. Anya ada fonte. Ani bukana na ebu, ada egwu na ebu. Koko, madu idiot.
Njemu ijo boni sukbonu bonodu matata buleze. Adunwa baleta banuzudia. Adunwa na neke smolu beke. Why do you rematch? Why do you soy?
Say hello to your godfather. I've been here like a
Oh, deliver, mama! Give it up! Your time is up! Shut up! Are you mad? You idiot. Now you listen. Bakasi, whatever they call you, you will go. Yes, you will go. I've seen so many of your type. Yes. You want to go? I've seen so many of your type. They've all come and again, gone. They went back. Fire for fire! We fired them back. No, brother, no more. Woo, sweep. They left. So you will go. Makanade Buanebu. And Danyada Fonte. But some will be taken back. Come with be. Came and cause up. Oko. Orderly! And say it's indestructible. Okay. Thunder will go fire you. You do press up. Orderly, Nse is indestructible. I warned you. This is the end of the road for you. Now, take it. Take it. Orderly, take it. Orderly. This is the end of the road for you. I warned you. Your time, your end has come. Orderly, whatever has a beginning surely has an end. This is the end of the road for you. Take off his clothes and his chain. The stubborn grasshopper ends up in the gizzard of chickens. The most notorious criminal in this community. I warned you. Don't be too fast. For the horn does not grow before the head. Be ready to face the consequences of your evil. For he that plays the chickens smells the droppings. Take him away! Move! Wine, we have heard of your evil chance and the witch doctor. You have no more powers again. Let me remind you, the witch doctor have been sent to our ancestors.
Please let me go. I've done nothing wrong. Go.
Then can you me?
No, I want to me because
Madam, I got one here.
You have done nothing wrong. You have done nothing wrong. When you get to the market square, you shall explain that. There is no hiding place for evil. Take it away.
Hey, chalo no kabia. Hey, wo.
Come here.
Ijala na kwano. Ijala na
Orderly, your time is up. He who bites indiscriminately ends up biting his own tail. I warned you. There is no hiding place for evil. Your time is up. This is the end of the road for you. Baka! 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 Odiliwa Mama, no one will take a bad advantage of you unless you get the chance. If you don't sell your head, no one will buy it. Let's go! Anyone who does evil will end up like this. There is no hiding place for evil in this community. Baka! 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 Baka!
Since after Odili and Ejine was killed, the community of Otunko have known peace. They've known peace in a bigger way. The Baka boys were looking for you to execute you. Because the king doesn't want anything that comes from their breed to survive. And that's why we've not gone to your father's place since after your birth. Baka boys killed so many criminals. They wiped away so many bad people. But when they started killing the innocent people, Igwe dissolved their duties and brought them to justice. Look at me, my son. Your mother is now a changed person. That's why I decided to give you God's will, Uchichukwu, instead of Odili Junior, like your father requested.
But Mom, I would like to answer my late father's name, Odili, or Mama.
Bam! No, my son, no. Nobody wants to hear that name. There is nothing good about that name. That name does nothing but bring back the crime memories. Look on. Yes. You have to sleep. You know you'll be going to school tomorrow. So I don't let me cover you. Who is there? Come in.
Mother, good afternoon.
Teacher, God's will. This is why you people are here by this time of the day. Hope all is well.
All is not well, madam. The headmistress sent your son home. He has been harassing students and his classmates with this cause.
Chimo, what's really bueno? Goswell.
Yes, Mommy.
Where did you get this from?
I bought it from supermarket.
Hey, how did you get the money?
I took it from your bag.
I didn't come here for you to faint now, please. Madam, please wake up. Please now. Hey! Madam, Biko. Hey! Madam, Biko, please. Please wake up now. Thank God. Thank God that you are alive. See. Sorry. Please, no. Please.
One bought up here there. One park here there. One bought up here there. One park here there. Italy Taja. Italy Taja. Italy Taja. Italy Bofia. Italy Taja. Italy Taja. Italy Taja. Italy Bofia. Yeah. Echego monga. Abago me boy. I forgot me fanny not one baby. Or to totally jesu baby. One baby. On your name. On your nebe. If I want it for one and yaki get away. Give us the way. Again, I'm married and then Bago de day, one and buggy day. What the pocket day, my pocket day. Obumine Nino. Iwegine when the potatoes or before we may go one change your mind. Get me even in and we for the nine. If I want nature, I want them can get two. Yeah, a 2-pack 2. Yeah, I'm looking for my money and my money and my mind. I talk with me more honey, but one day put up it's in your body, sing one never na keka. If it may make it.